Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno intorno giravo, scende belle tornando al riposo, non ci sei quattro figli d'amore. Scende belle tornando al riposo, non ci sei quattro figli d'amore.
6. The early bird catches a cold. The early bird catches a cold. The girly nerd clutches the scold, while studiously blenching, with a fistful of thumbs therefrom. Her jacks goose-step upon his pillar cat, scrushing it into a vial of wormelade, a sweet and sour pussy substance. The surly songbird snatches hold of her poisoned souvenirs, her inventory of discontentments. The pithy wormhouse, though, if fenile, anent his yawning disgruntlements. His fossilized soul shivers and shakes, more chill than a heap of bones laid bare, beneath the aloof deadlights of cooling board attendants. She's a tongue-lashing blame-shifter, a seething, scatheful spit venom, a snarling, gnarling river of snakes, coiled inside a cocktail dress. Yea, so mote it be. The early bird catches a cold. The girly nerd clutches the scold.